Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's our favorite day of the week, which is Unboxing Day. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package and we are recording this to protect our rights while unboxing, so that if there's any claims that we can submit within 3 days upon receipt, we can be accepted. Okay. So anyway, this is a consolidation package from Buy and Ship, our trusted consolidated shipping mechanism or company. And this consolidates two items, if I'm not mistaken. One is something I will keep for myself, and the other people have ordered from me. Okay. So anyway, I hope the war on Iran will not affect the shipping costs so much. Okay. I know it will affect, but not. We're hoping not so much, because the price of Heroclix is really quite high already. Okay, so people can get priced out. And here are the items. Ooh, we have Iconics Thundercats. Not just one, not just two, but we have 3 Thundercats. That's why the Thundercats has an S. Okay, so I did not think it was such a big box, which is again good, because Iconics like this, you want to keep the box in pristine condition. So one is going to my good friend Heinz. I think the other one already is also for pre-order. And then this one, I think also pre-order, but if not, then I will just keep it because I want Iconic Thundercats. But ultimately, if we can sell it, then much better. And we also have another package. Okay, this is the second package, and it contains, let's see, I need to okay, from Brian Green, and it contains it doesn't open as quickly. So the small one is even harder to open here. How do I open this? Okay, here. No? I'm just gonna rip the box. There you go. Okay, finally, the box that don't want to be opened contains, still doesn't want to be opened. There you go. It contains just a card. It contains the Nightcrawler alternate card of X-Men 97. This is the last piece to complete my X-Men 97 master set. We're gonna have a separate video for that. But let's take a look at this blue fuzzy creature Nightcrawler alternate 024, X-Men team ability, X-Men martial artist politician keywords, a trait, protector of the X-Men. When Nightcrawler places one or more friendly characters, after resolutions you may heal one of them 1 click. Okay, which is good. Okay, and second trait, family is a choice. When a friendly character within 2 squares is missed by an attack after resolutions, you may place that character up to 2 squares away from their current square. Okay, so that means Nightcrawler is the one placing them. So when they're missed, then they also get to heal. Okay, I was wondering how he places character, because he doesn't have light or carry. Oh, I speak prematurely. He has a special movement power. We shall play tourist. Passenger 3, but only to carry characters with the X-Men keyword. When Nightcrawler is given a move action, After resolutions, he may make an attack. Okay. So it's like 10 movement that can lip climb, that can ignore elevated, blocking, and characters. So you can carry 3 X-Men, probably with prob and empower. Okay. And then you can do a follow-up attack at 10. That's really good. 11, 19, 3 is the top dial for 55 points. Okay, this is really strong. Kurt Wagner, X-Men 97, Tolerance is Extinction Part 1, Significant Appearance. Yeah, definitely need to be play tested. Probably give him an equipment and then a bunch of Empower X-Men, low cost X-Men, I guess. Interesting. So I will team build with you and see how it goes. But for now, we are happy that it's complete. Thundercats and Blue Cat. Like, share, and subscribe as always. And for now, bye!